This video is for educational purposes.
Guys, if you are a college student or a fresher graduate and you or any of your friends dream of doing an internship, free courses for Microsoft, or job at a top company like Microsoft, then this video is for you. Make sure to share this video with your friends as well, because Microsoft has launched new internship opportunities that you can apply for online. And along with this, I will also share details about free Microsoft courses with certificates. Microsoft has posted multiple internship and full-time roles such as Research Sciences Intern, Software Engineering Intern, Explore Intern, and many more. And if we talk about the Research Sciences Intern role, you will work on analyzing and improving the performance of advanced algorithms, work with large-scale datasets on AI and machine learning projects, build scalable AI system prototypes, collaborate closely with team members to take systems from prototype to production level, and develop solutions for real-world large-scale problems. Microsoft also has software engineering roles available in multiple locations. And to apply, the official link will be given in the video description, where you can click on apply now and sign in using your Outlook email, LinkedIn or Gmail. Now coming to the free Microsoft courses, these are available on Microsoft's official learning platform and include courses like Introduction to Cloud Infrastructure, Introduction to Generative AI and AI Agents, Introduction to Machine Learning Concepts, Get Started with AI Agent Development on Azure, Microsoft Power BI, and many other in-demand courses. To enroll, you just need to click on the course, hit the start button, complete the lessons step by step, and after finishing the course, you will receive a free certificate. And for daily job alerts, do visit foundthejob.com. If you want free placement resources, comment yes. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.